Hello everyone, today we are going to create this beautiful flying animation in PowerPoint. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and do subscribe for more such amazing content. So let's get started. To create this type of animation, you will need two things. First, an airplane cutout image, and second, a wallpaper related to your presentation theme. Let's start by setting up the background. Copy the wallpaper and paste it onto the main slide. Now, stretch the wallpaper to cover the entire slide. Next, let's add some text. Go to Insert tab and add a text box. Type in your title and then customize the font style, color and size as you like. Once that is done, duplicate the text box, replace the text with a quote. Adjust its size, font style and color to make it visually distinct. Now we will add some shadow effect to enhance the look. Select both the text boxes, go to Shape Format tab, Text Effects and apply a shadow effect. Expand the shadow settings and adjust the transparency, blur and distance. Moving on, let's animate the background. Select the wallpaper and head over to the Animation tab, Add Animation, apply the Grow Shrink effect. Then open the animation pane, double click on the animation effect to open the setting. In the Effect tab, set the size to 120%, Smooth Start to 1.4 seconds and Smooth End to 0.4 seconds and enable the Auto Reverse option. Switch to the Timing tab, set the duration to 5 seconds and finally select Until Next Slide. Now let's bring the airplane into the slide. Right click on the image and select picture format. Rotate it to 135 degree to adjust the direction of plane for the left to right flying effect. Increase the size of airplane so the wings touches the edges of the slide and then move the airplane to the left side of the slide. Next, add a rectangle. Remove its outline, fill it with a color. Now stretch it to cover the entire slide. Next, insert a right angle triangle, remove its border and fill it with the same color. Then flip it horizontally and adjust the position to cover the area behind the airplane's wing. Next, duplicate the triangle, place it at the top of first one and flip it vertically to cover the area behind the other wing. Now stretch the rectangle to cover the blank spaces. Finally, select all the shapes, right click and send them to the back. Next, group the airplane with the shapes. Now we will animate the airplane's movement. Go to Animation tab, Add Animation. Under Motion Path, select the Line effect. Change the effect option to the right and stretch the animation path toward the right edge of the slide. Open the animation pane, right click on the effect and select Start with Previous. Set the duration to 4.25 seconds. And that's it. You have successfully created a stunning flying animation in PowerPoint. So if you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such amazing content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.